Hello guys, I'm going to introduce you the product that I'm going to use for my trip to Imphal. I got it with a cost of 2,499. I'm going to use it in Royal Enfield Electra tire tube guard. So I'm going to fix this today. It says that it have all instruction to how much to put in. Let's see how I can fix in my bike. Jeus juice. I don't know how to pronounce that. So this is the glove I'm going to use, this strip, and I'm going to use also the jacket, the juice jacket. It seems to be good. I'm going to use for the first time, so I'll give it a try, and after that I will give a view about the jacket. And of course, my favorite pen, the Rhinox. I'm going to use this strip. So I have this has been always my favorite, especially the leg guard. Because of my height, I don't have proper leg guard position, but I like this about Rhinox is I can shift the leg guard to the place that I want to, so that I can protect my knee. So very good quality. If you want to buy gears for yourself, I think Rhinox is one of the best software of my ride that I made trips. We have just taken out the nib, this one, with this instrument. So now we are going to fix. We are going to fix in this one. We have just, where's the pen? So we have just seen here. It says here how much. This is 19. So this liquid have to go inside the tire around 350 to 450 mm. So we are going to do that. So I need to open this one. Very difficult to open it. Very difficult. Oh, it's open. I'm going to put it inside. It's going slowly. Oh, it has gone. Okay. It has gone around 490 above. It's gone too much. Put in the nib. I'm gonna rotate this side. Of course, I have to ride the bike for nearly 1 kilometer in a speed of 450 to 60 kilometer per hour. Then the liquid will circulate to every portion of the tire tube. I thought of fixing it in the front tire, but it's very less. But the remaining, I think I can just put it inside. Maybe I can do that. But it's gone too much. I should have given here around maybe 450. I should have given 300 or 450. That's fine. Well, most of the puncture it happens on the rear tire, so I'm satisfied that it's filling up here. Now we are going to put the nib in the pumping area. This is tight korele biya hoi jabo de. Use another side. Check from that side. Don't press hard. I will give a pump. This is a very useful hand pump. It may look small, you just need some energy to pump it, but it's very handy because it's easy to carry and light. So I almost carry this hand pump. You can get in Firefox, but I'm not sure if this is Firefox. It was given to me by one of my friends.